What's up guys, in this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make use of Seedance 2.0 to generate your storyboard kind of videos. Now you can see I have this particular image. From this image contains different stories, like a story set, a particular story but broken down into different scenes. So now I'm going to show you how I use it, just this one image, to generate a full storyline. So I'm going to be showing you how I did that, and this process of doing this is very easy. It's not something that is hard. Just with one prompt, one very short prompt, you're going to generate the full storyline for you. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorials.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright, this is the website you're going to be using. I'll be pinning the link to this website in the comment section. Do check it out. Now, once you were here in this particular website, this is where we are going to do the generation of our. If you check this, it has the image aspect. You can generate your image here directly. You can also generate your videos from here. So yeah, other things you can do, even translate languages from here, or you can do your homework assignment. Although you can use this website for quite a number of things. So if you want to get ideas what people have done on this website, you can just check over and navigate to these AI creations. You'll be seeing a lot of things you can do on this website. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my new chat. I'll leave this open, then I'll show you. First of all, what I did was to first of all get my prompt. Now I got my, using my prompt, what I did was I already have my prompt. I think I wrote it down here. So this is the storyline for what I want to create. So after the storyline, what I just did was to I just specified I should use the above to generate a storyboard for me of 9 frames. You can decide to specify the number of frames you want. It's left for you. You can decide to specify the number of frames and the key or key moments you want. So, and I said you should make use of 16:9 aspect ratio, and it should be target. I need it to be for like something like a 60 seconds video. Depends on your choice. If the tool you're using can generate up 60 seconds, is left for you. So you can also make use of that. So on this now, I'm going to be what I did was to copy the whole of these prompts. So I now went to any image generator. You can make use of any image generator. Like in my case, I actually came to AI Arena. I use AI Arena to, you can see this is the link. I use AI Arena. So what I did was I just tried to do side by side to see which of the model is going to give me a perfect storyline. Of which I compared Gemini and Ref. So now on this particular one gave me something better. I think I prefer this more. So what I did was to download this, and once immediately I downloaded it, I now went over to this particular website where I'm going to now turn the image I created, it gave me, now I'm going to turn it into a video scene. So now this is where we are going to be using our Seedance 2.0. So I'm going to show you how to go about it. Now from here, what we're going to just do, I'm going to first of all, let me quickly just come here, click on this create video. You have to ensure you create video. Then from here you bring in your prompt, your reference image. I'm going to be bringing this in. So once I bring this in, you allow it to load up. It's going to load here. While that is loading, now you can see this is it. It's loading. So what I will be also going to do is just a short prompt. Just give it a very short prompt. Now you can see what I did. You gave priority here. Now is I said it should generate a video using this storyline. That is just all. That is just all. Very simple. But that's what I just instructed it to do. Generate a story using this. Now the reference image is loading. Then on this we have the model. See, we are using Seedance 2.0. So I wasn't lying when I said I was going to be using 2.0. So now the duration I'm going to leave it to has the max, which is 10 seconds for this. Unfortunately, I can't, on this particular website, I can't generate up to a minute. So that means my video is going to be fast. So if you are to, for example, if you are supposed to do, let's say, as this is, I ordered it to be 60 seconds. So if you now want it to be, since you discovered this particular website can only give you like 10 seconds, you can shorten the image. Instead of doing it, let's say 9 frames, you can make it to something like 3 frames. So if the first 3 frames will be in three. The first 3 frames is going to be on one video, then another three. The next 3 frames will be on the another video, and so just make it like that. Just divide it into 3 different frames. So now once we have this, I've selected my number, then the aspect ratio, I'm going to select the aspect ratio. So once I do that, what next thing I'm going to do is just to click on this. So once I click on this, you can see it will start generating. And if you check now, you say I will create a video for Storyline, and it's using Seedance 2.0 model, and you can see I have used it will use 2 points. Now for this, now you will see that it's going to currently I still have 2 points left today. Now this actually means normally on this particular website you can generate, like, let's say 5 to 6 videos per day on this particular website. So what it means, I still have 2 points. You see I've been generating other videos from here. I've been generating other videos using this particular business all this while from today. So what happens here now, I've already used some of the points are allocated for me today in my other generations. Now this particular one, so currently I'm still having 2 points left for today, so I can still generate like 2 more videos for today. Assistance, you can see it's telling me that it's going to notify me when the video is done generating. So what you just need to do, you just wait a little for it. I think it might take like 1 or 2 minutes or so for it to finish generation. So you just need to be patient and wait for it to finish its works. And so I'm going to wait. Once it's finished, I'm going to show you the output of what it has generated and how you can be able to download it. All right, guys, you can see it's done generating my video. So if you can just click on this to download the video if you want it. You can see from what is playing now, you can see it actually did a very, very excellent job. So let me just download it. I'll be playing the video at the end of this particular video. So you can see this is just how you go about the process of generating. So you can see I've downloaded the video, so I'll be playing it at the end of this video. So guys, I want you to try it out and tell me your experience on this particular website, if it's worth it, and also if it was able to generate, if you're able to generate your videos with this using this process. So I'd like to know get your feedback. So I'll be waiting for your feedback.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.